whatever has happened in the past has got me here today.
लड़कियां जो ऐसे पली बड़ी है साथ में सब they know everything about each other, but at the same time affected है.
Hello there, this is Sanskriti, your host, and you're watching me on Bollywood Live.
Everyone say hi Sanskriti.
Hi, Sanskriti. So, the summer vacations are here, and what are the kids planning, and what are their parents planning for them? Well, going to malls, movie dates, or an international holiday? Well, that sounds like a good plan, but we are losing out on some precious things like Nani ka ghar, Mama ka ghar, maybe family time, friendship time. You know, we are losing out on such beautiful, realistic life. This is the message that we get from Dil Dosti Dilemma. And I have with me the cast of Dil Dosti Dilemma.
And hi. Director also. I'm not.
Yes,
I'm the director.
of course, the director. So let's start with the director itself.
Oh yes.
So, you know, this is a beautiful, heartwarming story. A simple yet an impactful one. But these days in the OTT era, people love watching murder mysteries, the dramas. So, do you think people are losing out on making some heartwarming, beautiful stories?
I don't know if people are missing out. I know that all of us felt very strongly about what we were making because of
Yes.
that. Because we felt like sometimes when you come home tired or when you're having a bad day or just you've seen a lot of content that makes you question life and humanity and कि ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं कि मतलब क्या ही चल रहा है दुनिया में. You need a show that just feels like a warm hug. And at the same time, it tells you a story. You invest in characters, but but it's a story that's sweet. It's a story that has a lot of heart. And I think for all of us, we felt like that's a story that needs to be told, and that's a story that needs to exist. And I hope more come, but not before our show. Let our show be the first one to come, so that everyone first sees our show.
Which is
Uske baad, which is Dil Dosti
Dilemma.
Dilemma.
On
25th April.
Of course, and I would first want to say that my favorite character would be Farzan.
Because the first one.
Thank you so
Not
much.
because I am, you know, being flirty, but, you know,
You can, but it's,
Yeah.
he's a handsome
but,
young man.
you know, you have been amazing from what I have watched, you know, being, you know, the first project maybe.
Yeah.
So how, you know, how has this journey been for you, and how has it been working with these guys, and, you know, the first time you came to know that you are doing it?
Super exciting. I don't have words to explain. It all began as a surprise. I got the audition and I cracked it, and we had so many workshops together. I got to know them. We did not even spend a week to get comfortable. It took us just a day or two. We got on set and then we started working. Whatever we were doing on set, the energies were matching. It was all so wonderful. And Debbie made it so easy for me. I mean, honestly, it's my first project, so I am coming with not so much of experience. But all the preparation, and it's all coming on floor because of Debbie. And everyone who's worked with me, Anushka, everyone. I have scenes with everybody, right?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful experience. So, yeah, I mean, what do I say? I'm overwhelmed. I'm definitely touched. And it's such a great platform, and it's such a great platform to, like, you know, start off as a debut, and I'm really grateful. So yeah,
So sweet.
and
That
thank
is
you
so sweet.
for saying such kind words.
It was actually beautiful and innocence that was coming out from him. So,
brother is the best.
yeah,
Yeah.
of course. And Anushka, you played the, you know, lead, and Asmaira. So how?
Asmara.
Sorry.
Please.
So how, you know, she has learnt a lot in this journey.
Yeah.
So what is that one thing you take away from her?
What I take away from her, I do that, I already know it in real life, but when I portrayed Asmara, I think it just all became too real, and I was like, yeah, family and friendship and love is so important. We all know it, but sometimes when you're so ambitious, you're career oriented, and right now at that age, you're also like, you're figuring things out. So in that rush of life, I think sometimes you take these things for granted and you forget. But then when you sit back and when you go back home, when you're like, everything is about happiness, and happiness comes
Yeah.
from family and friends and
I think
love.
Asmara
and
has a
everything.
lot to learn from Anushka. Anushka doesn't have anything to learn from Asmara. I just feel
Very
it's
sweet.
true.
That's a
It's
very big
true.
thing. Thank you. That's
Yeah.
very sweet and kind.
Yeah. Of course, like you have beautiful journey from Jhansi Ki Rani and then Korean.
Yeah.
So how was it? There must have been twists and turns.
Yeah, of course. Any career, like if you have twists and turns, up and down. But what I'm really happy about right now is the fact that I'm here sitting with you talking about this beautiful show that I did, Dil Dosti
Yeah.
Dilemma, and I still can't believe it. That I'm talking to you about this. Today was actually our album release, and there's some really beautiful
Yeah.
songs that I have to add. But genuinely, I'm saying this because today morning has started with me hearing the songs from my album. When I saw it on my phone, and all the apps had these posters and all the songs, Dil Sheher, Jhume Ranjna, Area, all of these songs. So it was very surreal. So whatever has happened in the past has got me here today with my people, talking to everybody about my show. That feels surreal. It is not literally sinking in, and it's not going to unless I'm going to watch the show, and even then I'm going to be like, is this actually happening? Is this a dream or what?
Of course. Also, the awesome threesome group. So, you guys had a lot of fun in the show.
Yeah.
So, is there anything BTS, something that we should know? Ki something
anything?
funny.
Oh my
A
God,
lot
that's
of
there
things.
is only
A
BTS.
lot
उसके बीच
of
में हमने थोड़ा
things.
शूट कर लिया ऐसा
Actually,
I'm
it's
not
true.
even kidding.
lot of things are derived from us.
It's
No?
true. It's true.
Well said.
You'll also, Queens of Chaos is also introduced in the first scene only. I'm wearing a
Yeah,
t-shirt
that says
that
Queens
says
of-
Queen of Chaos, and we
Yeah.
inculcated that into the group, and
Yeah.
now we
Wore
became
that
Queens
t-shirt
of Chaos.
actually when we were doing the reading.
The first time we met,
That's when we all decided, three of us, we were like, we are
And
Queens
Debbie
of
just
Chaos
went,
Yeah.
only.
this is Tanya only.
Yeah.
And these are Queens of Chaos.
Yeah.
It's true.
It's
In fact,
amazing.
Revati is right. तो BTS ही चल रहा था. बीच में थोड़ा मैंने बोला लाइन बोल दो फ्रेंड्स. शो बना लेते हैं.
Yeah.
But it was
तो थोड़ा ऐसे
impossible.
कैमरा रोल होता था, we used to be like, हाँ खत्म okay next.
I mean, this is and this
That's
is my
true.
gut feeling when we casted them. Then we also workshopped with them, and when we workshop में ही पता चल गया था कि चुप नहीं रहा जाएगा. And that's the vibe you wanted, right? You
Everybody's
wanted कि ऐसे तीन लड़कियां जो ऐसे पली बड़ी है साथ में, सब they know everything about each other, but at the same time affected है क्योंकि they are teenagers, तो उनको फर्क पड़ता है कि ओ मेरे दोस्त क्या सोचेंगे that I'm not going to Canada, I'm going to Nani's place. तो वो that's the crux of the complication is that ना कि तुम जितना भी तुम close हो with your friends, somewhere you're worried about what, because you love them so much, you're a little bit more like, oh, they can't think like that about me. So which is why I think all three of them land up lying to each other a little bit in different ways.
Yeah, in the show.
Yeah,
In the show.
and have their own journees
Yeah.
of what to learn.
Yeah.
But
It's
do
really
you
beautiful.
think, in real life you would love if your bestest friend would lie to you?
No,
I will love it.
absolutely not. But she lies to me when she has to surprise me. That I love.
Yeah.
That I love.
That is very
My best
cute.
friend recently surprised me when my trailer launch happened, and she surprised me with like confetti and my poster and our pictures and chocolates and all of that. That
That's
was
so
really
nice.
sweet. Then lie to me. Please lie to
But
me.
I want friends like that. Y'all can
That's
also do it for me sometime. My birthday is coming anyway.
Yay! Now if we surprise you, then you will not be surprised. So the surprise will be that.
There is
Don't
no
surprise
surprise.
me.
Yeah.
See, this is what used to happen on set.
Wow.
Exactly this.
Definitely. Also, that you said about these being of course, they are the perfect cast. So, how did you think of, them? कि यही है, the main character.
Oh,
यही है Tanya.
I really want to
can't-
know.
Yeah, I can't. That's not something I can take credit for. For me, I think I had a certain, a certain set of qualities that I needed. Like I needed, for example, I needed Asmara to be someone that's very, very likable. So that because she makes maximum mistakes in the show, and I feel like you needed an actor who, when she's making a mistake, you're not like, nahi dekhna mujhe ye. Rather, you're like, arey mat kar. Like, you go with that journey with her. I needed a Naina who is so, such a happy person, and such a go with the flow, chill person that, that she just does, and then she thinks later, you know, and I needed that. And which is why with Revati, the first time I met her, I must tell you, I was a little bit afraid because she was very quiet.
Everywhere
The
this has
second
gone, by
time,
the
second time onwards, I was like, okay, now how to keep her quiet, I don't know. So, and with Tanya, I just wanted someone who looks also very strong and portrays being strong, but actually has a lot of vulnerability. With Rukhsana, I just wanted innocence. With Farzan, I wanted that intense quietness. And we went through a lot of auditions, and then a lot, like 50, 100 a day, and then we landed on this beauty panel.
Oh, worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it. It was totally worth it. I couldn't have asked for better. Could not have.
So like I said, I loved Farzan. So
Huh.
who was your, something, that character that was close to you?
Oh,
Be very careful, huh? What you say?
No, I don't have. I have all. I love all
if you
my
had
children.
designer.
Huh?
The designer, I have a video of Debs when we were doing a workshop. When we were doing the workshop.
Playing David Chenoy.
Playing David Chenoy.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
David
Do no one,
Chenoy
do
is-
no one.
Yeah,
Once do
no, that was-
Please no.
No,
Please,
I'm
I
wearing
think
the
people
dress.
will really
No,
like
you
it. Do
should
that,
do
do
that.
the
Do the
fan
fan
please.
action.
Yeah, what is the David Chenoy? I think. What is it?
Take
It was
it off,
like,
take it
oh my
off.
god, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off.
नमक ने बहुत मार खाया.
It was very funny. It was very, you're a chore, help. It was very
I have a
funny.
video of that. I
Yeah,
secretly
I know when we
recorded
were
it.
doing the workshop. But yeah.
David Chenoy.
So I genuinely, I can't possibly have a favorite character. Because the minute you have a favorite character, you're favoring one person in a story more than the other. And I can't do that.
And that's not what
right.
the show is about.
Yeah.
The show is actually about people, and it's impossible
Yeah,
to.
it's
like,
impossible
choose
because
one.
it's important for me when I'm doing a scene with Naina that Naina is my favorite character. I would
Yeah.
say the person who I'm doing the scene with is my favorite character at that point of time because I'm rooting for because
correct.
my job only works if the characters work. So if I go like Nico तुम पसंद है तुम कुछ भी कर लो मेरा शो डूब जाएगा कहाँ का sense. So
Definitely.
Kahan ka sense.
Of course, we know this story has a message of, the family bonding, the friendship bonding. So is there anything apart from that, we are missing out on, and that is
there's
something-
a lot of lessons. There's a lesson about. I think the show is not. It's about respecting a family. It's also about losing your obsession with the facade. कि लोग क्या कहेंगे को थोड़ा छोड़ दो life में, which is something that Asmara's character tells Nani very ironically in one of the earlier episodes. But it's funny because Asmara is the one who's very dost kya kahenge.
Yeah.
So I think there's that, there's love of friends, there's friendship, there's trusting your friends, trusting yourself, going with, forgetting about the facade of it, having fun. There's this romance. The show is also about so much love. Like Farzan and Asmara are it's such a very quintessential opposites attract, no? Because one is quiet, one's noisy, one's little suljawa, the other one is energetic and one like impulsive. So there's so many, all the love stories are just, there's a lot of, if I pick every character has their own lesson.
If you write it down,
Mostly
they can
it's
be
just a very, very fun show that I want everybody to watch. Okay?
Yeah.
Dil Dosti
If you can
Dilemma.
just make
on
that
Amazon Prime, 25th April.
Okay, so instead of me ending it, I would want you guys to, give 3 reasons why to watch
Watch
Dil
Dil
Dosti.
Dosti.
Dil Dosti Dilemma.
Dilemma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazon Prime, great cast and good dialogues.
Oh, well done. Okay.
And good song.
Oh, good songs.
Relatable,
Very
good
good
songs,
songs,
and
Great songs.
Released today.
Let's go one by one. Rukhsana, हम क्यों देखे शो बताओ जल्दी.
Light-hearted, good song, good people.
Oh, Naina.
Ditto.
Oh, Farzan.
family oriented, good songs, and relatable.
Yeah.
Good cast, lot of happy moments, lot of life lessons.
Something for everybody. Feels like a warm hug. It's very real and relatable.
I just please watch. I want you to watch.
Watch.
Because I want to
Watch.
Where?
Watch.
Watch.
Where? Dilemma.
Where? Amazon Prime. 25th April. One more time.
Yeah.
Dil Dosti Dilemma.
Amazon Prime.
25th April.
I have glitched throughout.
Thank
Yeah,
you guys.
That's enough for you.